Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for clicking, it's much appreciated. Right, this is going to be a short video guys, but it's something I gotta show you. My partner bought me this, Hayley. Thank you Hayley, love. Nice surprise. It's the post-war West German Army mess kit. It's a reproduction, it is guys, but it's very similar to the M31 used by the German Army back in the day. That was the 19th century. I was in the German Empire. Yes, it was very similar to that. It's like a, it's a reproduction. It's made to the exact standards. It's a classic kidney shape, guys. As you see soon. It's a 3-piece set. So you've got a mug, a frying pan, and a cooking pot. As you can see, it's got a bail arm on it. There, that's indented there. So you can use it to cook over a fire, so it's not going to jingle about. There's the bail there. It's got a clever design, guys, so you won't go past a certain point. So you could use on the edge of a fire without the bail, hanging in the flames. So that's really clever there. I'll open it up for you, I'm going to show you. This strap that's on it, by the way, guys, is what I put it on it myself, okay? The original ones was leather and it connected to the webbing, again, to stop it jangling about. So, as you can see, this is olive green. You can change that if you wanted to with a bit of spray paint. I have done that to my Austrian one, as you would have seen in previous videos. I've got it in different colour camos. Let's go around to the bottom there. Let me take a strap off. Right, bear with guys, I'm just going to take a strap off.
Big coagulated gravy hot dog bun bastard.
As I say, this is my own strap. The originals were leather, as you would have seen in the old war movies. So as for the strap, guys, it just goes down through there, down through here, and you can connect it on the back. So for this video, I'm just taking mine off, okay? So there's the bottom here, look, see that, so it stays shut. Like a nipple there, there's a hole there, and they marry up. So let's open it up. Let's start with this. Right. So that's the frying pan, guys. And that is 2 inches deep. Now obviously you can use it as a frying pan, okay? I'd probably use this as a drinking mug so you wouldn't have to carry extra. What I would do with this, guys, as well, if you was going to cook on the edge of a fire, say you wanted to fry 2 eggs or something, or 3 even, I'd put a stick through there. So you could put it into the fire without the handle getting warm. I could just use a stick on the end there and put it into the fire. So that's the frying pan, guys. And as I say, it's 2 inches deep. So if you like your tea, you'd probably get 3/4 of a pint in there. Right, so this is the mug here, guys. And that's 2.5 inches deep. So this is what you originally meant to drink out of. It's got a slot there. I'll come back to that a little bit later, okay? That's for using in the mess hall to collect your scoff. So that's a nice deep mug. So the main pot. Now you see marks here, there's 3 of them, okay? So you've got 1/2 litre, a litre, a litre and a half. So it's a litre-and-a-half capacity. The bails are on with the rivets there, 2 rivets. So there is with the bail up, guys. And because it's aluminium, guys, it's 100% aluminium. It's quite lightweight. I'm talking of the weight, guys. 457 grams for the whole set. It's not the lightest, but for 3 pieces of kit, that's pretty good. And of course, what you would do, what I'm going to do anyway, is I'm going to be storing kit in here, like my brew kit, maybe a ration pack, some fuel, etc. So the depth of the cooking pot is 5.5 inches. So that's brilliant for making stews or curries. You know, you're going to get a lot of scoff in there. Really happy with this, guys. As you probably would have seen, as I say again in my videos, I've had the Austrian one, which is fabulous. But I am a big fan of German vintage gear. I'm just going to show you one of my packs now, right? So here's my East German combat pack. I'll do another video on this, a separate video, but as you can see, I'm a big fan of German vintage gear. So going back to this groove here, okay? So if you're going down the scoff queue in the naffy, that's the way you would do it, okay? Just like that. So let's talk about the price that my partner paid. My partner paid £24. Okay, she paid £24. If you look around and shop around, you can get all different prices ranging from £15 to £30. But I didn't pay for it, so I don't care what she paid for it. Right? So that just goes under there like that, look. It's all together nicely. So if you are going to get yourself a webbing strap, guys, it's just down through there, down to that one, pull it through, round the back, and back like so it's nice and neat. So there it is, guys, the West German Repro mess kit. So thanks for watching, guys, much appreciated. Don't forget to punch that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Out!